Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the history of the climate crisis, exploring its origins, significant events, and the current state of affairs. Join me as we uncover the story behind one of the most pressing issues of our time. The early signs the climate crisis didn't emerge overnight. Its roots can be traced back to the early signs that our planet was undergoing significant changes. Ancient civilizations, like the Mayans and the Indus Valley Civilization, recognized the impact of climate on their societies. They observed erratic weather patterns, droughts, and other environmental disruptions. The Industrial Revolution. Fast forward to the 18th century, the Industrial Revolution marked a turning point in human history. The rapid industrialization and burning of fossil fuels brought forth unprecedented levels of carbon emissions. These emissions released into the atmosphere started altering the Earth's delicate balance, leading to a gradual increase in global temperatures. The discovery of climate change in the late 19th century, a Swedish scientist named Svante Arrhenius made a groundbreaking discovery. He hypothesized that carbon dioxide emissions from burning fossil fuels could lead to a rise in global temperatures. Arrhenius's research laid the foundation for our understanding of the greenhouse effect, which is a significant driver of climate change. The rise of environmentalism. The 20th century witnessed a growing awareness of the environmental impacts of human activities. The 1970s marked the birth of the modern environmental movement, with the first Earth Day raising global consciousness about the state of our planet. Key figures like Rachel Carson and organizations like Greenpeace helped bring environmental issues to the forefront, including the climate crisis. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change. In 1988, the United Nations established the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, or IPCC, to assess the scientific evidence of climate change and its potential impacts. The IPCC plays a crucial role in synthesizing scientific research and providing policymakers with essential information to address the climate crisis. Major climate events. As the decades passed, the effects of climate change became more evident. We witnessed an increase in extreme weather events, such as hurricanes, floods, and heat waves. Melting glaciers and rising sea levels have become tangible signs of the consequences we face if we do not take action. Global efforts. In response to the escalating climate crisis, nations around the world started taking action to mitigate its impact and transition towards a sustainable future. One significant milestone was the Paris Agreement, signed in 2015. It brought together nearly every nation in a collective commitment to limit global warming and reduce greenhouse gas emissions. Renewable energy initiatives, such as the growth of solar and wind power, have gained traction globally, offering hope for a cleaner and greener energy future. Gaps and challenges. Despite progress, numerous challenges and gaps remain in addressing the climate crisis. Deforestation, pollution, and unsustainable practices continue to strain our ecosystems. Moreover, there is still a significant gap between the emissions reductions needed to prevent catastrophic warming and our current trajectory. The urgency for action. The urgency for action has never been greater. Young climate activists worldwide are raising their voices and demanding immediate measures to combat the climate crisis. But it's not all doom and gloom. We are witnessing remarkable innovations and technological advancements aimed at tackling climate change head-on. The history of the climate crisis serves as a stark reminder of the impact of human activities on our planet. It is crucial for all of us to understand this history, acknowledge the urgency of the situation, and take collective action. If we work together, embracing sustainable practices and advocating for change, we can create a more sustainable and resilient future for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of the climate crisis.